What's up, guys? Welcome to the unboxing of the TRX4 Chevy K10 Cheyenne, a high trail edition. It's got a whole full 1 inch of clearance, ground clearance. It's got the long arm lift kit with the 2.2 tires. We also got differential locks, portal axles, the 3S power system. It's waterproof, very scale, guys. Got my LiPo battery, plus the Easy Peak Live ID smart charger. Awesome. I just used it right before I shot this video, and it charged the battery in about half an hour flat. So guys, if you don't have one of them chargers, definitely look into picking one up. Also, it all comes in a jazzy orange kind of color. It comes in a silver. I want to pick up the silver one for my wife. Comes in black. I preferably love the blue metallic. I'm a blue kind of person, so I went ahead and got the blue. So yeah, here you go. Here's all the 5 different colors, I believe. Yeah, we got the silver, that red, orange, metallic copper, I guess it says, the metallic blue, black, red. All right, guys, let's get into it. Let's unbox this guy. So let's get this out of the way. Let's see, I think it's this side. I'll best guess it. So we got our controller here by Traxxas. You got your multi-function for your throttle control, your steering trim, which is to control your steering. You got some other settings here that I haven't quite figured out yet, but I will. This is for your differential locks. I believe first it's your forward is your front differential locks, and for your rear differential locks, and then back is to unlock it. Your 2-speed transmission, high, low, and it also comes if you get a Bluetooth wireless link module and you connect it to your phone Bluetooth. You're able to do some functions as far as with the lighting kit, to be able to turn your high beams, low beams, what set of lights you want to turn on and whatnot. So it's a pretty cool function. I'm probably going to look into doing something like that, because if not, you got to get into the truck and change it manually through your power system. So that's something that I'm gonna look into getting. Not too sure how many batteries this thing takes. 4 AA batteries, I believe. So I have to make sure and put some batteries in that. All right, let's see, guys. And here we go. Voila. Looks like we got the packet of little ghetto tool system, but it'll work. You got your lug nut wrench. You got your Allen wrenches for your distribution blocks and whatnot, and for your servos. You got some 2 sets of stickers and owner's manual. So enough of that. Let's get this bad boy open. Alright, let's see. I believe we'll probably have to take the body off first to unwrap it. It's got the new quick release system, guys, so that is awesome. Instead of having the body post sticking up through over here like the old-fashioned ones did with the little cotter key pins and whatnot, I didn't like that really, that design. So let's see if we get this plastic off somehow. I'll try and destroy the truck. Ooh, guys, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Wow, guys, they really did a beautiful job in this paint job. Extremely detailed. And I found out later on that these are not chrome moldings, they're actually stickers. But dude, it looks kick-ass anyways. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at the detail on it, guys. Door handles, the little mirrors, actual real wipers. It's got the tail lights, the actual really working tail lights. You just need to get a light kit for it. I already pre-ordered that. That's on its way, so that'll be in what, a couple of weeks, baby. Mm-hmm. So look at that, beautiful. Look at the grill, how detailed. Wow, they took their time in doing this. Guys, the bottom marker lights for the signals. Wow. I'm in awe right now. This is the bottom side, guys. So this is the undercarriage. It already comes with the pre-mounts for the lighting system. It's got all your what do you call it, zip tie points. So that's cool, dude. Hell yeah. All right, enough of the body. Let's check out what's underneath. Oh wow, look at this, guys. What is this? This is the, how to turn it on and whatnot. So yeah, here's your waterproof 3S. So that is awesome. They just Traxxas upped it a notch on this. You got your differential locks with two little separate servos, one for your front, of course, and one for your back. You got your 21T550 Traxxas motor. So I've heard pretty good about that motor for now. I know I'm eventually going to want to up it. I know for sure I'm going to do, the first thing I'm going to do is upgrade the servo, because I've heard a lot of people saying, you know, the servo, you got to do something with the servo. It'll work for now, you know, but for what I want to do, you know, it's going to definitely have to come out. And I've already found one. So I just need to save up a little more cash and purchase it and get that thing in here. Other than that, yeah, dude, it's just, it's beautiful. Yeah, let's take these off of the bumpers too, babe. Pull that one off on that side. Oh, where's the stick? There we go. Guys, it is beautiful. It is a beautiful truck. I special ordered this truck, so they didn't even have anything like this here at Hobby Town where I was at. So look at that, guys. Beautiful. pick it up so you guys could see the bottom. It's got the long arm link that I was telling you for the High Trail edition that just came out. So this is a definite plus. That gives it an inch more of ground clearance. You got your portal axles. Yeah. Your servo. This is a Metal Gear servo, by the way. So, but it just the output of the servo, it's just not, doesn't give it enough. Eventually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change out my whole, all of my axle housings, because these are all plastic. I'm gonna do all blue anodized metal. Eventually, all these steering arms and whatnot will be replaced with blue, the long arms and whatnot, and my drive line. Also, this will come out, and I'll put another blue aluminum one in there. My skid, my rock sliders too as well. I already spotted some out, I believe on Amazon or eBay, one of the two. But they're blue. These are plastic, so I definitely want to upgrade these just to give it a little extra touch. And I also want to do the rear axle housings, and maybe put some lighter shock oil. I've heard good that, well, it's pretty stiff, but maybe for what I need it for, we'll give it a test run first and see what it does, and maybe going with the lighter shock oil eventually. I know the bumpers, these bumpers seem really cheap. They're plastic. Yeah, they're plastic. Just like the rims are plastic and the tires are glued on. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Let's see what this is. All right, guys, so let's get this battery in here and see what it does.